Hey everybody, hey everyone, Tanya here. Just want to share with you a quick Dollar Tree haul. Some things that you might want to look out for during this holiday season. I've gotten these over the last month or so. They have this pattern pot holders and an oven mitt. And they have beautiful table runners. Last year, I know I got like red and green. I wasn't sure if I got white, so I went on and got another one. Could never go wrong with a white runner. These are nice. You see they're already, they have the label on them right there. You always need some gift tags. If you see my gift baskets, I always put a gift tag on them. Stay stocked up on shred. I just got one of each. I have a lot, but we could go through a lot doing gift baskets. Got purple. And I got some red shred. And then always, can never have too much tape. And then some napkins. And a bunch of ribbon. And the way I do my bows, I use up a whole roll. Like that, I needed some gold. A bunch of red and gold. And then this pattern here, I like that. That's really pretty. With the red truck. Little lollipops on there, green. So I just got more of the truck and a little plaid. And then some smaller ones. Okay, got that done, and then, you know me, and I love my tablescapes. So we have these plates. Because this is kind of like a dupe. See, like on Pottery Barn, they have a similar pattern to this, so that's why everybody's like scooping these up. And then if you see the ones with the green, like tree, the green Christmas tree in there, that's like a Pottery Barn dupe as well. So I just got 4. And then the little, if you don't want to get the full plate, most of the time I could just accent. You can just accent your table with the lunch plate. And this one says Joy. I was able to get 2 Joys. And then the most wonderful time of the year. They only had like 2 of these left. So I can kind of mix and match. And then, oh, I got 3 Joys. 3 for the Joy. And then one says Home for the Holidays. So you can use 2, like I use 4 for the table and maybe like for snacks or hold something on the buffet table. The other 2 can handle that. Okay, and then they have the cheeses out, the little cheeses. For your little mini charcuterie board. I did a video on that last year. That's still very popular. Got some candy. Got the Harry and David coffee, and then some, they have the K-cups. I got some of those. And I got the Godiva. And then these chocolate bars here. And you'll see some of the candy I got in some of my videos coming up. So this is a dark solid chocolate. Got the Godiva. You get these. These are good. These are the dark chocolate Purelines in the box. I like those a lot. These are good. And then the dark, these are good too. The dark chocolate truffles. And I'm doing a themed gift basket. And then I got some of this. And I got some of the, and we ate them all though. I got a big bag, like they come in a purple bag and they have those cheese balls. And then there's some chocolate covered graham crackers. They are so good and they're in a purple packaging. So if you know, you not have a purple themed snack basket, so that's what I'm working on. So when I only got one of those because I didn't know how they would taste, but now that I know they're good, I'm gonna go back, see if I can find them. Okay, and then this is really nice. I love my cutting boards. And so this is at the Dollar Tree Plus section. This cutting board here is already has a tag on it. It's already wrapped. It says "'Tis the season." Got your cheese cutter. And then I'm going to gift this to someone, and I'm going to go in and put the little Jack Links jalapeno and cheese stick. Put one on one side. And make that a gift. And wrap it up in some cello wrap in a bow. And that's it. Okay, so that is, now I have all this junk. So before I put things away or organize things, I wanted you guys to be on the lookout for things like that. And okay, so yeah, that's everything. So guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Oh, no, I got some other stuff I forgot. Okay, now I got these bottle brush trees here. Got 4 of these. These are gorgeous. They're on my tablescape that I'm working on. So that's why I forgot those. You get these ornaments here. I got these in the black and white buffalo check and the red and white buffalo check. Okay, and these make great additions to your holiday centerpieces, your mantle decor, tablescapes. Let me put that back. Sometimes it takes me so long to get things the way I want them. Oh, and then I get these over weeks. My Dollar Tree started putting out Christmas stuff in October, so I will just pick up something here and there. And then all of your pans, they always have pans, but there's an abundance of them during Thanksgiving and Christmas. So just went on and stocked up on all the different aluminum pans I need. You know, like for your ham and lasagnas. Got some nice pie pans, cake pans, loaf pans. These are my prep pans. And so if I'm giving something away or cooking for someone, we have our little shallow pans here. And got 2 pizza pans. We might have a pizza party, but these are also always good to have, like for when I make my yeast rolls. This is a good thing to have. And then I updated my pizza cutter. I got a couple of these, but I like to, if I see them at Dollar Tree, I go on and get them because they will go to good use. Okay guys, so that's everything. That's my Dollar Tree haul for today, and I hope you can get some inspiration, see if there's anything else you would like to get, and see what's going on out in Dollar Tree. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.